Forget about absolutely everything you heard about depression so far. Let me guess, you've been to therapy, you've been trying things for years, months, and you still feel sad, depressed, and nothing is working because you're looking into the wrong direction. Let me give you an advice. I know exactly what to do and which way you need to go. If you really wanna stop feeling sad, depressed, or all those kind of things that are not gonna bring you anything and it's just fake and it's just not true and it's just contaminating your life. So let me guess, you're trying to be happy now. That's the first mistake that you're making. Happiness is not the opposite of depression. That's the biggest mistake that we're trying to solve. Why? Because happiness, you can get it with small things, with cheap dopamine. You can get quick solutions that are gonna bring you happiness, but if they do not fulfill your depression, they're not gonna bring that out, that they're gonna destroy that empty feeling that you have inside. What people usually, or doctors or therapists, that what they tell you, oh, take those pills, take those things, are gonna make you feel better, or you start drinking and you have fun for 10-20 minutes, and then what happens? You feel like shit for 2 or 3 days. Or people take drugs and they have 10-20 minutes of happiness and pure joy, pure dopamine, but then after that they feel horrible and even more depressed for 2 or 3 days or even longer. So they need more and more. So what's actually the solution for that? So the opposite of depression is not happiness, it's expression. I know. It's very simple. You need to express yourself. You need to write. You need to make videos. You need to share your story. You need to make music. You need to play sports. This is real dopamine, things that are gonna bring you something in return on time, in a long period of time. It's not gonna be immediate. It's a longer process. Yes, I know you want a quicker solution, but I'm sorry, I don't have that. I just have a real solution. And expression is gonna bring you much more. Start writing. Doesn't matter if it's good or not. Sharing your thoughts, sharing whatever you want, but expression, it's really gonna fulfill your depression. Trust me, I'm telling you, I've been in depression for years and years. I tried therapy, I tried things, I tried going out, I tried drinking, I tried absolutely everything, and nothing really worked until I started expressing myself through music, through literature, through poetry, videos, all those kind of things. Start to fulfill yourself, because it's a dopamine that it's gonna bring you something in return. It's a long process, but it's the right one. It's what really means something in life, because you're sharing something. Your mind, your body, your life, it's meant to express, to build, to create something, not just consume. Think about it, you're all day consuming music, consuming food, consuming your iPhone, your social media, reading, watching videos. How many hours you spend on that, and you're just wasting time. Instead, start creating something. Try to give something back into life, into other people. This is gonna really fulfill you. This is gonna really cure your depression and what you're feeling inside. And you're gonna start completely different, because your mind is gonna start focusing on something that it's fulfilling your soul, your body, what is inside you, something that makes sense. Doesn't need to be something right. You don't need to be an expert on something, but start with something. Express yourself. This is really gonna fulfill your soul, your spirit. You're gonna feel completely different. This is how you cure depression.